Okay, guys, let's take a look at our USDJPY. Now, this was the analysis I did yesterday. You can actually go back to watch the video. I did it on the 22 about Euro USD, Pound USD. We predicted that our USD to our JPY will fall massively. This was the chart we've analyzed. You can go back and actually watch the analysis so you will understand how we got here. We predicted that our price should actually break below this line here that I've just highlighted. Our price should actually break below it and come back to retest it. Then after retesting it, we will be seeing a fall again. And guess what? We actually broke below it. Our price came back the same day and actually came to detest it, and we've actually gotten that huge fall again. Do you now see that now our USD to our JPY fell massively? Those who actually took this trade profited massively. I took a lot of pips. It was actually good, which I grabbed a lot. But for the week, this week, I still believe that our USDJPY would be dropping again. At least I would want to see my USDJPY drop to 135, at least 135.024. This is exactly what I've highlighted. 135, or let us say 135.024. That is exactly what I am aiming for, or what our USDJPY should actually hit this week before we might possibly see a bullish move or a downward move, by the way. So USDJPY has actually given us that huge massive fall, by the way. So very soon, the week coming, our USDJPY will still drop. Now that we've actually gotten our prediction right, one thing I want you to also know that is that on this our 4-hour time frame, we should actually be waiting for a pullback for the week we are analyzing. We should actually wait for a pullback on our 4-hour time frame, price to come hit this pullback, then a fall again on our USDJPY. Until we have this pullback, then it is a good time to actually short it. If not, I would advise you try and wait, don't short it. But what are we aiming for? A drop again on our USD to our JPY. Now let's see, we would want to see a pullback before a drop. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame, we've actually had this massive fall, right? We saw this fall, we saw the pullback, which we predicted and got right. Now we've gotten another fall. For the week, we should be actually waiting for a pullback, then a fall again on our USDJPY. Now let's take a look at our JPY index for better analysis. As we can see, we would want our JPY index has actually gotten to 1 key level, right? So we would want to be seeing a fall again, a retracement. As you can see, this is a massive bullish move. Once we have that massive bullish move, we would want to see a pullback on it. So, and now our JPY index has actually hit one of our key level area here. We should actually be seeing a drop, then we probably see a push up. So as we are getting this drop on our JPY index, that is where our USD JPY will actually give us that bullish move. As you can see here, that bullish move. Then when we start having that drop again, this is where our JPY index will start going bullish. Now let's sit on our 4-hour time frame. We can see on this 4-hour time frame, let's start it from here. Our price actually, went bullish. I will take it as a retracement, by the way. Then we actually seen another bullish move, right? Now that our price has hit our key level, we've highlighted. What are we waiting for? A retracement again. That is why a retracement possibly down to this area here, a retracement to this around this area we should be aiming for. Then a bullish move on our JPY index. Exactly what I'm waiting for. Once we start getting that drop on our JPY index, we should be seeing that bullish move on our USDJPY. And once we start having that bullish move on our JPY index, then we should actually see that fall on our USDJPY. So that is the analysis. Do not forget to subscribe like and also share this video.